Users have three options to choose from: vehicle history, VIN or plate, and vehicle selection for a vehicle lookup. Vehicle history allows the user to choose from any of 50 previously selected vehicles stored by date and day of the week, along with the specific articles viewed, making it simple to return to them. If the search function is used, those searches will also be stored by date. VIN or plate. You can enter the 17-digit VIN number or use the license plate to then translate to VIN. Plate-to-VIN functionality allows you to quickly and more accurately identify the vehicle. Vehicle selection allows users to choose a new vehicle by year, make, model, and engine. Depending on the vehicle looked up, there may be some sub-model or transmission options. Please note that once a current or previous selection has been selected, the linked text will become Change Vehicle. With vehicle selected, the user is placed in the One Search Plus screen, with immediate visibility of vehicle-specific data for the top 10 lists, including components replaced, common trouble codes and symptoms, plus top search lookups. In addition to this useful data at the ready, quick links provide direct shortcuts to the most popular information lookups. A search box is provided to enter a code, component name, or symptom. You may also search for a part number. Other modules are just a click away. It's a best practice to check tech service bulletins and recalls before launching into any testing and procedures. The Recalls and Campaigns link provides a quick way to see recalls information specifically related to the selected vehicle. Clicking on any recall title will open it up in a new window to display the complete article. Please refer to quick links for direct access to tech service bulletins.